Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 275. If we start with this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 3 here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 9, 7, and that 9 makes this our 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're just missing an 8. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help, so 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help, so 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 2, 5, 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. And for this box now, we're just missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.